All right, welcome back, guys. So in the previous section, we're talking about how to build for the desktop platform in terms of web desktop. If your target is people who are using phones and they're going to be online, you could as well check web mobile. Everything else from the previous tutorial applies. So in this case, the only thing that you need to pay attention to is the screen orientation, because phones will be in landscape or portrait. So for my type of game, for example, I would put it in a portrait. This is because my game basically will require people shooting aliens, and I would need them to see where the aliens are spawning, and so that the player is given enough time to shoot. But basically, everything from the desktop build applies. Your title for the game there, your platform, of course, web mobile, and then the directory where we're going to build, the first scene that will have to be loaded, the scenes that should be part of this build, and then of course whether you're going to package all the sprite frames in one package, and whether you're going to package all of your JSON and assets that are needed for the start scene. So in this case, these two options, you might even leave them, and you will still be fine. And you can just click your build. You do not need to install anything. And that's perhaps one of the beauties of using Cocos Creator for building. When it's done building, since I selected the Cocos build path, it's going to drop that folder. It's going to drop inside the Cocos build folder, and here you can see a web mobile folder is created, which basically contains all the assets needed for this game to run. When I click play, I can preview it and see if this loads fine. Okay, click play, and yeah, you see that it loads differently.